A great benefits program poorly communicated is a poor program. Demonstrating the value of a benefits program requires an ongoing investment in employee education and communication. So, what can Total Rewards practitioners do to enhance communication and increase employee and dependent participation in the annual open enrollment process? A benefits communications plan first should align directly with a company's business objectives and overall Total Rewards philosophy. Although most research indicates that benefits are indeed important to employees, a disconnect often exists between the financial investment that employers spend on such programs and employees' perceived value. Employers are continually seeking ways to manage benefit costs and at the same time continue to offer benefit programs that attract and retain qualified workers. Annual open enrollment is an ideal time to help employees understand the true value of their benefits package. Here are a couple of things to consider. Keep any enrollment process as simple and intuitive as you can. Maintain enrollment information in one place and provide a checklist of what steps an individual needs to go through to complete the enrollment process. Encourage employees not to wait until the last minute to review their options. And be sure to outreach to dependents in your communications, since most research indicates that individuals at home are often the ones making the decisions. Encourage employees to read the information provided and not automatically default their selections from the previous year, as their situation may have changed. Open enrollment is a great opportunity to update personal information, including beneficiary and dependent status, as well as to address any life events that may impact plan selection. Make sure employees remember to coordinate their coverage selections with any spousal coverage as well. Use comparison charts to demonstrate the coverage differences and the financial impact of various options. Place these charts in easy-to-understand language that shows the impact of various open enrollment selections. Involve internal colleagues and external service partners in the employee education process. Perhaps conduct a benefits fair. That is an opportunity to leverage all of your plan offerings and create some excitement and employee engagement. Benefit fairs offer opportunities for employees to ask questions of their vendors as well as company representatives. To encourage people to attend, you may offer incentives, door prizes, raffles, a variety of things, and oftentimes vendors will contribute financially towards these items. Use different media and communication channels, a combination of paper-based and online tools, along with face-to-face group meetings. In many cases, attendance at these meetings are mandatory. Be sure to include dependents as well. Work with your service partners to provide educational tools that use individual claims data to ensure employees are selecting the health plan that best meets their family's needs. For multiple work locations and other telework arrangements, make use of web-based technology, HR portals, audio opportunities. Provide access and resources for individuals and their family members. If you offer any account-based plans, such as a health savings account, health reimbursement account, or flexible spending arrangement, provide examples of comparisons between these choices. Show how these plans work. Use actual numbers in your examples. Demonstrate the savings, for example, that can be achieved through using flexible spending accounts, especially if out-of-pocket costs are rising. Explain basic concepts and terminology, such as coinsurance, copays, high-deductible health plans, generic drugs, formularies. Avoid benefits lingo in the communication materials that supplement your legal and regulatory materials. Explain your wellness initiatives and incentive programs. Demonstrate how they coordinate with other programs you may offer. Provide cost comparisons and access to tools that help estimate family projected costs. Voluntary benefits have become quite popular these days. There are several new offerings each year. Make sure you communicate their value and how they can supplement and coordinate with other benefits to fill in any coverage gaps. If you are currently not using customized Total Rewards statements, this might be an ideal time to do so, since these are personalized and illustrate tangible value. These are just a few recommendations. There are many more opportunities to enhance the annual educational event. And that brings up a key point. Although this is a critical event, this should not be the only time you talk about your company's benefits value proposition. You should be showcasing and leveraging your benefits investment throughout the year. Keep your benefits visible. Keep them continually in front of your workforce at all times. And finally, include in this ongoing dialogue what employees, along with you, the employer and plan sponsor, can do to work together to minimize costs so as to continue and enhance future benefit offerings.